is Jolie here, and I want to show you how to make a cookie from cookie.scoop. I am so excited to have this package, and I am very excited to make the cookie. So let us explore what is in this mysterious box. Let's open it. Wow! We have lots of things to do. We have M&Ms, chocolate chips, and we also have white chocolate chips, macadamia, and rainbow sprinkles. We also have a scooper, which we have to scoop our cookies. We have melted chocolate, and we have flour and sugar to make the cookie. So let us get started. And before we get started, we are going to look at the instructions. Here it is. And it looks very easy to make, but sometimes it looks easy, but it could be tricky. So fun to do too. So let us make the cookie. Hello everybody, this is Jolie back here, and we're going to do step 1. You have to mix the chocolate with butter that is 10 grams. This is step 2. I'm going to crack the egg, and I love to crack the egg. So make sure there's no shell on it. So we're going to mix the sugar in it too. There. Now we will just mix it all together. Okay, now for step 3, I'm going to pour this in, and we're going to use the flour in, but make sure you do not overmix, okay? Now let's just stir everything all in. I'm going to remind you, do not overmix, okay? Yes, we only have 1 pack. All in, and I'm enjoying doing this. It's fun and easy. And this is the first time I'm doing cooking without a grown-up's help. I enjoy doing this. It's very fun. And I hope when you're doing it, it's fun too. And I hope you're enjoying doing this. I hope this never ends. Now, this is going to be the funnest part, that is step 4. That is decorating the cookie and scooping the cookie on. So, let's put the cookie on. Now we're decorating the cookies with M&Ms. This one I've done with some sprinkles, and now my brother is helping me. Okay? Wow! This is very tasty. It's like the best thing ever. It is like I'm standing on a cloud eating a rainbow.